My word, it's cold outside today.
It's chilly.
I just needed to get some lunch in Montana, so
Okay.
I had the lobster bisque. It's so creamy, the flavors just knock the taste buds
Nice.
right out of your mouth. And I love the steak. I tried the steak and shrimp flame grilled with fries and beans.
Yeah.
I swear, that was so incredible. I had to tip the server.
You liked it, eh?
I love it. My mom has always said, we have a rule, if you don't like something, you gotta try first.
Yeah, for sure.
I'm a YouTube enthusiast. I just got registered for school in NAIT in January.
Good for you.
It's a TV radio course.
Oh, nice.
I'm doing it 8 weeks, so my mom and I are gonna plan our trip to our old hometown where I was born in Hamilton. Visit Hamilton, Ontario after my 8-week course.
Good for you.
Yeah. Yep, so we're gonna probably do that on the last week of March or the beginning of April. So there are plenty of open door possibilities too. Because I would love to do some YouTube video transit projects in Ontario on my own adventures again.
Well, for sure, no doubt, man.
Just as long as I'm being careful and I'm not entering any rough areas in Toronto and Hamilton I don't go to. Except our familiar places. But I gotta say, this is good. I love filming. I'm glad I got on the train in time too before it left.
Good for you, man.
I'm gonna stay on this train till I get off at Kingsbury Royal Alex Station.
You have a nice journey.
Oh, I will, pal. Which bus are you driving today?
We're at the number 4.
Fort West End or Capilano?
Start off Capilano.
In the East End?
Sorry?
In the East End area? The Capilano area?
Yeah, you got it. Have you ever ridden on that bus before?
Yeah, I've ridden the 4 from West Edmonton Mall. Because I work in the mall. And on occasions, on days if I'm off work for the day, like 5, 6 o'clock, or if I get off at early in the afternoon, I'll usually go to the gym. And sometimes if my mom's working at Southgate till 5 or 6 o'clock, I will usually stop over,
Nice.
bring a coffee from Starbucks or Timmy's as a treat, and also sometimes we'll go home at the same time.
Cool. That's considered you drink coffee to your mom.
Yeah. I also do that for my friends, my hairdressers.
Oh, good for you, man.
I bring them iced coffees as my treat.
I hope they appreciate it.
Yeah. I've been doing it for Gabby, then for Tanis. Nowadays I do something very special for my friend, my hairdresser who works in the Epic Boutique, and that's Sierra. Sierra appreciates my visits, loves being around me. She really loves the iced coffee treats I give her.
Sure.
She's always happy to see me.
That's good.
Yeah.
Sounds like you got a friend.
Oh yeah. She treats me good. I mean, the world's gotta need more nice people these days. Not negative people.
It does, you're right.
No negative, no aggressive. Absolutely no.
Yeah.
But you always have to say no if someone tries to make you uncomfortable.
Well, for sure, you have to establish boundaries.
Mm-hmm. Or if someone's doing something that's not right.
That's right.
Now's the time to tell them right away.
I agree with you.
But at the end of the day, it's about being very responsible, respectful, mindful, very careful, and being aware of our surroundings.
That's good.
I gotta say, this LRT is making a whirring noise on the tracks these days.
I don't notice any different.
I've lived here for 15 years.
Yeah.
This is my 16th year. Yep, I'm I'm originally from Hamilton. I was born there. So I go back there on my visits. Because my grandparents live in Smiths Falls, sometimes I'll stay with them at their place.
That's cool.
But I've also been allowed to take the GO train alone. Because I'm very responsible what I do.
Good.
And I don't tell anybody I'm on my own. I keep that to myself.
Yeah. You miss Ontario?
I enjoy coming back there from Edmonton on visits. So I go on the subway at Union Station in Toronto too, to visit our familiar places where my Auntie Paul and my mom, my grandma taught me a long time ago. And our Bloor Danforth trains too, on our Bloor trains, are very special to me.
Why is that?
I've demonstrated at Ossington Station before and after I moved here, and I was just there this past March of this year.
Okay.
So last March I did it so well. So I visited Dufferin Station, on my way to Christie Station, and before I went to Museum Station, St. Patrick's Station, and also before utilizing Dundas Street West to go eastbound to the Eaton Centre and westbound from the Eaton Centre on Yonge Street.
Been in Toronto a long time.
There's lots of alternative ways too. You can get off the subway at St. Patrick's Station or Osgood Station, and you can get the streetcars on Dundas Street West or Queen Street West to get to and from Yonge Street, the Eaton Centre. So other than going to Dundas Station or Queen Station, you can use an alternative route. So there are plenty of alternative options you might use sometimes too. I'm never wrong about that, so I don't take that as a negative thing. I just use the Presto SmartFare card and I'm entitled to make a transfer. Have a good one, man. Good talking to you. Hey, stay out of trouble, man. You seem like a nice guy.
Always, you as well.
See you around, dude.
Take care of yourself.
Oh, you too, pal. That's my Mickey Mouse voice.
No worries, man. You have a good one, okay?
You too. See you real soon.
Turn inbound radio station.
Mm.